This is a demo of the folder for IC Meter. Please note that when it folds down, it doesn't reach all the way to the edge. It folds only to here, so you can read the text that comes here, and then it has this edge coming up and the logo is here free. When opening up, we have the blue line and the gray line up here, and this cut of the model is made a little wrong, so it should rightfully have been up here, but you will see that on the files. This is an insert, and there are several inserts. These are the labels. And now when you have it open, you will see the text is readable here. There's some of the blue edge that comes up, and the logo is here. We have now placed a white logo here, so when you fold this one up, you will see the whole logo, and it will have a little space on both the top and the bottom. If you look at the other side, you will also see here the cut where the logo is, and on the back here we now have the world map. And regarding the flap, you'll see inside here we have the flap down here that glues this together. Please check the files to see if they support this video. This is a test print of the inside of the folder, and here you can see the edge, and what we have made in the final version is a graduation, so that if we don't get a 100% exact cut here, then it won't appear as clearly as in the mock-up model that you just saw. Here you can see how the logo is sitting at the back, and of course this is where it folds up and has the green button here with the logo and the text. The slogan says "We care about indoor climate."